Want to know how to download the IntelliJ IDE on your PC for Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily download IDE. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, make sure you have installed the JDK kit as well. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, open up your favorite browser and type in IntelliJ IDE. Now just simply select this first link that says jetbrains.com. So this is for Java and Kotlin development. So just simply scroll down a little bit until you see this download button right here. So just simply select this download button, and now you can just simply select download on exe, that is Windows, or choose any other way as well, that is zip or Windows ARM64. So once you selected download, your downloads will automatically begin after a while. And there you have it. The IntelliJ IDEA has started downloading. And that's it. After the installation is done, just simply follow the wizard procedure, and once that is done, you should be able to use Java in IntelliJ IDEA. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.